Hi everyone! Today we are exploring shot sizes in filmmaking, focusing on wide shots, medium shots, and close-ups, and how each affects storytelling and audience perception. Welcome back to Media Studies Pro. Shot size is one of the most fundamental aspects of cinematography. It determines how much of the subject and environment the audience sees, and it has a huge impact on how viewers connect emotionally with the story. Choosing the right shot size is critical to visual storytelling. A wide shot, also called a long shot, captures the subject in full along with the surrounding environment. It shows scale, context, and setting. Wide shots are often used to establish a scene, show action, or emphasize a character's relationship with their environment. For example, a wide shot of a hero standing on a cliff emphasizes isolation, power, and grandeur. Wide shots help the audience understand where characters are, how big the space is, and the relationships between multiple subjects. Medium shots focus on the subject from the waist up, providing a balance between the character and their environment. Medium shots are often used in dialogue scenes or when you want to show body language and gestures while keeping some context of the surroundings. They allow viewers to connect emotionally with the character, observe expressions, and feel engaged in the scene without losing spatial awareness. Close-ups focus tightly on a subject, often showing just the face or a key detail. Close-ups are incredibly powerful for conveying emotion, tension, or important narrative details. They draw the viewer's attention to what matters most in the scene and create intimacy. For example, a close-up on a character's eyes during a dramatic moment can communicate fear, joy, or determination far more effectively than a wider shot. Each shot size carries psychological and narrative weight. Wide shots communicate context, space, and relationships. Medium shots balance human emotion with environment. Close-ups prioritize emotional connection and key details. Filmmakers often combine these shots in a sequence to control pacing, emphasize emotion, and guide the viewer's focus. Understanding shot sizes also helps in planning camera angles, blocking, and movement. The choice of shot affects framing, composition, and how the audience perceives power, intimacy, or scale. For example, combining a close-up with a low-angle shot can make a character feel both vulnerable and dominant depending on context. Mastering shot sizes allows filmmakers to tell clear, engaging, and visually dynamic stories. From establishing the environment to highlighting emotional nuance, each shot size has a specific role in the visual language of film. Practicing wide, medium, and close-up shots helps you learn how to communicate story and emotion effectively through the camera. Next time you watch a movie or TV show, pay attention to how shot sizes change within a scene. Notice how the director uses wide shots to show scale, medium shots to highlight relationships, and close-ups to focus on emotions or important details. Recognizing these choices will deepen your understanding of cinematic storytelling. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. More professional filmmaking and media education content is coming your way only on Media Studies Pro.